Hello, welcome to another video. We're a little bit early today, we're 12:15. New York doesn't open for another 2 hours and 15 minutes, but I thought I'd use this as an opportunity just to show you what the plan is here. So initially I started with about £100, I'm at 406. It doesn't take long to get there, just using this very simple strategy. And if you wanted to do something similar, if you deposit it into, let's say, IC Markets like I do, you see Trader, it's all downloadable from the IC Markets website and probably other brokers as well. Get it all set up like this. You don't need anything special. There's no special indicators, just everything is included within the program. It's all standard stuff. To trade US30, you would need a margin of, so you'd need about £170 in your account to be able to trade, because you can't do portions of a lot. You can only do one lot, or two lots, three lots, etc. You can of course use something like US Tech, which has a lower margin requirement, but I'm currently set at 400, so I'm going to move up to 2 lots now per trade, and my requirements are £335. I've got 406, so that means rather than making £7, I'm making just over £14 per trade, per winning trade. But on the other side of that, I'm losing just over £29 if I get it wrong. So there we go. So that's the plan at the minute. That's what I'm doing. If we have a little look at the market at the minute, we can see. And this is the reason why I don't really like to trade outside of New York, because it's so slow. Nothing really happens. I mean, we might take that high, we might not actually. Who knows? It's too slow for me. I don't really like it. But I thought I'd just start the video by explaining what the plan is here. And I'm going to try and document this every single day and trade as much as I possibly can every day on video, so you can see the account grow or go down. So far we've been very lucky, I will admit. We haven't really lost. I think we've lost maybe one trade in the past 2 or 3 days of live trading, which is unusual. Normally you lose a bit more than just once and win every other time, but it does go to show the power of this system. Now, just so you're completely aware, transparency wise, I will be trading tomorrow, Thursday, but I won't be trading Friday because I'm not here. I'll be out on Friday, so I won't be trading Friday, so don't expect anything on Friday. So it doesn't mean I've blown the account or anything like that. So yeah, so that's the plan. We're going to keep going, see where we can get. I've done a couple of videos talking about this strategy and why I think it works, and rather than just telling you about strategies that a lot of people do, I hope you can see that by doing these videos every day, I'm showing you it in action and proving to you that it can work. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video here and we'll be back in about 2 hours when New York opens, and we'll see how we get on today. See you in a minute. Okay, here we are back, like a minute away from New York at 2:30 here UK time. And there we are. So let's see what's happening with price. Okay, doesn't seem to know what it wants to do at the minute, as you can see. I think we're going up. We are currently doing 2 lots now because of there we go, nice. I think we are going to probably continue up. I'm not sure yeah, I think we're going to test up here. I certainly won't buy again if this one wins. Oh, that was close. That was close. Come on. Oh, we're so close. I'm tempted to close this out if we go up again, because there we go. There we go. So that was nice. That was a nice couple of trades. I'm not going to buy now. I'm going to wait and see what happens. Yeah. Let's see what happens now. I'll probably be looking for a sell on a pullback next, because as you can see, looks like we might be getting that. If we close below again, I will place another order for a sell. Let's see. If we print another one here, it's a potential for a buy, which I could have taken there. That would have played off. Right, let's see what happens here. That might be a little bit too ambitious. No, we just got that. That was nice. That was nice. So, this is it now. If we get another green, I might go for a buy. Let's see. It's a bit risky though where we're at. Let's just go for one quickly. It's a bit risky here because we're right at the top of the range. I wouldn't normally take one here. I'm kind of doubting myself here. Yeah, I'm very much doubting myself here. Probably shouldn't have taken that. Let's see if we can get back into profit. I might close it out early. No, I think I'm going to have to... this is going to be a loss, so we will go for a sell. As I think that we are heading down now. Okay, that's a couple of losses there by the looks of things. So yeah, that hasn't gone too well there. That's 2. So we need to think carefully about what we're doing now. No, I mean, it's not good that this has happened. Well, it hasn't lost yet, but it will. It's not good that this has happened, but it's good to sort of show you that we can't go on tilt. We have to remain cool, calm, and just keep trading the plan. It's an interesting one here because we're right at the top of the range. So you see, if we do paint another and then another, I think we're going much higher. So let's let that paint. Right, if we do one more, we are going higher. Right, we are going higher here. Look, we have to be. We have to be now. So much so, I'd be tempted to give us a much higher stop because I think that we are going to go, yeah, quite a bit higher here. You'll have to forgive me for not doing a great deal of talking, but I am conscious that I would like to trading this. Right, so what am I doing here? So we're going up quite a bit. Okay. Okay. Ooh. If we close this one, I probably will close out one lot That's one gone, which is nice. Let's put our stop loss around about here. Okay, so if this is a little bit boring, but again, we're in a trade here, so this is a bit of a different one, because normally I just take one block but here the reason why I decided to let this one run, and I wouldn't normally do that, is because, as you can see, we had some resistance up here, and as soon as we broke out of that resistance, well, there isn't really any resistance up until this top point here. So my theory was, there's a good chance that the price is going to continue to go up, and I think it probably will continue to go up for a little while. The question is, do I stay in this trade and just keep moving my stop loss up? I think that's probably a good shout if I do that. So if I move stop loss, let's say to here, and then we can just continue it. Yeah, it'd be interesting to see if we do hit this up here. Let's bring it down just a little bit, maybe to there. Yeah, let's see if we can hit that. If we can hit that target up there, then that's £100, so I will be done very much for the day. And it was an interesting day because we did have a couple of losses. But anyway, losses are part of the game, aren't they? As you know, losses are part of the game. So yeah, what I might do is pause the video and then come back when it's either take me out or hit target price, because otherwise we'll just be sat here watching nothing or watching the price very slowly moving around. So yeah, I'll pause this now and I'll unpause it when we get close to either take profit or stop loss. Well, I paused it all of 1 second pretty much, because we're very close now. Yeah, we're very close. I think that's gonna, hopefully we're gonna get taken out there. There we go, beautiful. And that's the balance at 501, and I think we started at 406. So that's almost £100. We're close to being able to do 3 lots. What do we need to be able to do 3 lots? 503, so we need an extra couple of pounds and then we can do 3 lots. But we'll stick at 2 tomorrow. Okay, that'll do it for now. Join me again tomorrow. Any questions, comments, whatever, put them in the comments. I will reply to all. Yeah, nice one. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.